Yes, I'm back again. This is your auto surgeon. Today is August the 22nd, 2019. It's about 4 o'clock. But my guy brought me this Porsche Cayenne, Cheyenne, or Cayenne, however you want to call this piece of junk. You know, I know a lot of people like German cars. A lot of people do. Some people don't. But this is what I'm working with. This thing came, he brung it here, was barely running and putting and acting like it was out of gas, and he didn't know, and the guy he bought it from had no idea, but I kind of figured out what it was. Put my fuel pressure gauge on it, came to the conclusion it started working, which the fuel pressure was up there, and then it started dropping down. So I figured it's got to be the fuel pumps, which this is how you got to get them out. They right in the back seat right here. You know, you unbolt the seats right here. See right there, you unbolt the seats. This the tool you got to use. I think it's a 12-point star. See that? Take the bolts out right here. Then you move the bottom seats, you know. Flip that one up right there. See that? I unbolted that, flipped it up. Use the seat belt to hold it up out the way. Pull out the other seat over there as well with the other bolts removed. That's the fuel pump. 2 of them. So yeah, I'm about to take the new ones and install them in. I could tell someone had been working up under here once before because they had a sponge, a piece of cardboard and a sponge holding that down. That's amateur work right there. But yeah, this is what I'm doing. And then it also needs a oxygen sensor on bank 1, sensor 1, and I'm going to update that too. I see a lot of people trying to change those, and people don't even know what bank 1 and bank 2 at, which I went on YouTube and looked, but I ain't got to go to YouTube to look and figure out how to fix no car, because I've been doing this stuff for a good long time. I also attended, you know, Lincoln College of Technology, to do this automotive engineering. I actually went to school for automotive engineering anyway, so I basically could fix anything on a car, from electrical to mechanical, no matter what it is, no matter what the car is. You know what I'm saying? That's all I got to say. But I ain't gonna say school taught me every damn thing. What happened is school just exposed me to what the industry is about. You know, how you learn is when you apply yourself to something that you like. If you like doing it, then you will grow to like it. Don't get in it for the money. Get in it for the craft. You know, then you'll start learning how to take the craft and turn it into money. That's what I do. You know. All right. Peace out. Once again, as you see, it's got that metal ring. That metal ring has to be turned. You know, you could use a screwdriver and a rubber mallet, or a screwdriver and a hammer. Once you disconnect that line right there, unplug it, twist the ring, pull a pump out. The same thing goes for this one over there. That's a fuel pump on the passenger, rear back passenger right there. And this is the one right here on the rear driver back side. And this is the car right here. As you can see, let me zoom out. Driver's seat, steering wheel, fuel pump behind that, and then the fuel pump over there on the passenger side. Okay.